Okay, first of all, English is not my native language, so be patient with me. If you don't understand me, just write me the question and I will try to answer you. Okay. The reason why I want to do this live in English because these last few days I had many people from China, from India, mostly Indian, and from sometimes from Colombia, and they are all they are all already joined Atomy, but their sponsor left them, so they are like orphan, orphan in Atomy. So they have this passion about Atomy business, but they don't know what to do. So I'm going to make this live very short because yeah, my English is not too good, but I tried. Okay, so Atomy is a Korean online shopping mall. So you are not forced to join Atomy. If you want to join Atomy, yeah, we welcome you. But if you don't want to join us, so it's okay, because in Atomy we don't have like uh, like date in the month that you must have a certain PV for a point value. No, and we don't have monthly fee, we don't have annual fee, and actually Atomy is basically you know basically customer satisfaction. So in this business you don't have to sell anything, you just share. Nah, and I know that sounds like, oh, that's too good to be true. There are no welcome package, there are no membership, the free membership all over the world. And now Atomy is already open in 56 countries. So yeah, we are international people. So wait a minute, I'm going to adjust my phone first. Okay. Okay, so all these people from India, they asked me the same question like, Madam, can you teach me product introduction, or Madam, can you teach me how to build a network below you? And I said, I can teach you that, but I can't teach you 100% because I already have my member, so sharing is caring, but my time is very limited now. I have so many Zoom meetings, and I have so many meetings with my own leaders. So this is my way to help you all. So I hope you understand me. Okay, so Atomy is like Alibaba. It's like Alibaba in Western countries. So we sell not only skincare, because all Western people they say to me like, oh, I'm a guy, I am not using skincare, so I can't join Atomy. Who said that you can join Atomy if you are a guy? Because you still brush your tooth, right? And you still shower, and your hair needs shampoo. So Atomy basically, hi Dr. Asep, Atomy basically is for everybody. In Indonesia, you must have a certain age to join Atomy, like 18 years old, but maybe in other countries is 21 years old to join Atomy. So basically, in Atomy, you just change your daily needs to Atomy products, like in the usual days. In the old days, you use like shampoo in this brand, X brand, and then you change it to Atomy. That's it. And every product in Atomy have point value, like this one is Pu'erti. Pu'erti is very good to burn your fat, and Pu'erti is about uh, 10,000 PV point value, or 13,000 PV. So it's up to you. You must choose uh, what you need in your daily lives. So we as your sponsor, we cannot force you to buy this one and this one and this one, because that's not Atomy way. And for those of you out there, you uh, like Indian, Turkish, Colombian, uh, I'm very sad because you guys have a very big passion in Atomy business, but there are no sponsor to teach you how to do this business. So number one thing that you must do, if you want to join a business, you must search for an active sponsor, and find the one that already a speaker. I know it sound like weird and rude, because because not everyone can be a speaker, right? But if that sponsor already a speaker, product introduction speaker, company introduction speaker in Success Academy, Atomy, or in Atomy one day seminar, at least that person has enough information, and has enough Atomy vision in their heart, so they won't leave you. But I saw so many people being left out, and that's broke my heart, because I can't help all of you, because I have a very limited time. But to join Atomy and to work in Atomy business is very easy. The first thing that you must do is use the product. Why you must use the product? Because the product is absolute quality and absolute price, and you pay nothing to join Atomy. Pay nothing. So if your sponsor asks you for your money to membership, to monthly fee, welcome package, that's not Atomy, because Atomy, we are not charge you with anything. So in Atomy, why you must use our product? Because our product is very good, really. Our product, especially this one. This one is my favorite. This Atomy Ampule is my favorite because it can de-aging me. I can look younger, and Atomy Puerty makes me reduce my weights. So why I join Atomy? Because Atomy, if I'm not join Atomy as Atomy business partner, I still use their products. So why I buy anywhere else? Because Atomy have very quality products, and I can have cashback from Atomy business, and I can inherit this business to my kid. Actually, that's number one thing that I love about Atomy, because my son, if anything bad happened to me, I can pass my Atomy business to him. Yeah, I hope you understand me. Okay, so Atomy, uh, uh, in which factory Atomy products were made. Okay, so we have this KAERI. KAERI is Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, which is a Korean government office that's very very high. They have a very very high reputation, because they made a food for NASA NASA astronaut food. So why Atomy products is very good quality? Because the one that make Atomy products is KAERI and Colmar. Colmar made like SK2, Laneige, Etude, and most of the skincare branded items. So KAERI and Colmar, they are together make an Colmar B&H, Beauty and Health. So if you understand me, that's a very very high reputation in this Atomy business, and Atomy has a very very good vision, because we are served in humility. That's makes us different from other companies. I worked as a makeup artist for 5 years, and I work as a staff promotion in a very high reputation factory in Indonesia. But I never saw one single factory or business like Atomy. Actually, I love Atomy so much because uh, Atomy uh, taught Atomy taught me one thing, that you must do good to gain good. You know, so you must sharing. So uh, if you are a bad person, you know, if you don't want to share, if you keep all your information for yourself or for your group, you cannot succeed in Atomy. Trust me, because that's the thing that I did when I first joined Atomy. I always keep my information for myself and for my group, but I went nowhere. And Atomy is a teamwork business. So if you are not nice to your member, you you will not succeed in Atomy. You must raise them. You know, actually, one thing that you do, you must study about Atomy, because Atomy is not just another multi-level marketing. Google us if you don't trust me, and you can Google us and you can find about us. You can see that our products are very good quality, and most of our products have patent in it. And yeah, we are we have a very good reputation. Like we can open in 56 countries. That's a very high reputation in business, you know, because in this new normal business, lots of local business went down. But Atomy, we can still open in Hong Kong. We can open in hello Aneka. I'm trying to explain in English. I hope you guys understand me, because it's been a while since I speak in English, so my English is rather low. But at least I try. So Atomy is already open in USA, Canada, Thailand, Taiwan, Hong Kong, China, India, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, Russia, and we will open in Vietnam, England, Europe, and we, the amazing things, we open in South Africa. So that's a very good, that's a very good uh, opportunity for us, you know. And hi, and in Atomy there are no level of debt. uh, I never understand. I never joined multi-level marketing before. I am not multi-level marketing. I hate multi-level marketing 2 years ago. But I love Atomy because Atomy is not another multi-level marketing that will scam you. You know, I know every scammer said the same thing, but just Google us, okay, and you will know that what I'm talking about. And in Atomy, I like the synergy, you know, the synergy of the teamworks. So in Atomy, we have no level of debt, so you can search around the world for your members. You know, if they like you, they buy from you. But if they trust you, they will be your business partner. So be likable and be be a very good, kind-hearted person that share and help others. So people will choose you as their leader. And after you become their leader, be responsible. Never ever left your member. You know, like all these people, I don't know how to help them. There are so many of them, and that's so sad because they want to try this business. uh, I was in their position once, so I knew how, you know, how sad it is. And because I really want to be successful in this business, I really want to know the products, but back then no one teach me anything, because my leaders, they are also like me. We are new we are a new member in Atomy. So 2 years ago we search in Google, we use the products, and we we try to learn what is this. uh, Atomy Absolute Ampoule. It can be aging us, but how? And we Google it, and we try to understand what is it. So for those of you who already Atomy nowadays in Indonesia is very easy. Every day we have Zoom meetings, and every oh, I love you too. Thank you, Aneka. And every day, every center, every education center in Indonesia has had Zoom meetings. I always uh, try my best to be in that Zoom meeting. Actually, sometimes I already knew the answer. I already knew about marketing plans. I already knew about the products. But why I am still there? Why I always try to be in every Zoom meeting? Because I want my leaders, I want my members to see me there. Because I want to give the good example. And only Atomy that can taught me that, I used to be very selfish, but now I can stood still and I can be silent. I can hold my opinion and I can listen to everybody in Atomy, because to be successful in Atomy, you must learn to listen and you must learn to share with your heart. And that's it. I hope I know that I can help much with your situation right now. Like last night there was one Indian guy that called me and said that please help me. I don't know anything. This business seems good, but my sponsor left me. And I said, I can't help you either. Because to help, I have so many things to do. So if I have time, I will try to make like this live in English. But 7 minutes from now I have another Zoom meeting, so this is the best that I can do, and I hope it can ease your trouble. Okay, thank you, Aneka, and hi TK. So nice to meet you. I'm Rachel Anita from Indonesia, and thank you sudah nonton Dr. Asep. Sorry ya Inggris saya, aduh. Okay, bye bye.